Alex and Anna, first understand that life is full of ups and downs and sometimes wrong turns. Always remember that marriage will be stronger because of your love and commitment to each other. Alex, thank you for loving my Anna. And I will share this love with you for Anna over the good whiskey. Okay, let's raise our glasses for Alex and Anna. Cheers. L'chaim. Будьмо.
First time we met the two of them, Anna's beautiful, she's smart, she could take a joke, which is critical in our family. Now, all of you that are parents, you know, what you want more than anything else is for your children to be happy. And Alex's was always happy-ish, you know? But there was this like edge, you know? And it's like, wow. So he's never really been happy, right? And then we came back, we're like, is that our kid? Wow, he's really happy. So, in conclusion, a long and happy life together, that's what we want.
Anna, I promise to give you the best of myself and to ask of you no more than you can give. I promise to respect you as your own person, and your desires are no less important than my own. I promise to share with you my time and my attention. I promise to be giving and forgiving. I promise to always buy you flowers, even without a reason. I promise to laugh and laugh at myself. I promise to grow old with you and always support you. I promise what's mine is yours, and what's yours is yours. I promise to love you in good times and bad with all that I have.
I promise to give you the best of myself and to ask no more than you can give. I promise to respect you as your own person and to know your desires are no less important than mine. I promise to share with you my time and attention. I promise to be giving and forgiving. I promise to let you play video games with Theo whenever Joanna allows. I promise to laugh and to laugh at myself. I promise to grow old with you and always support your loser sports teams. I promise to love you in good times and in bad with all that I have.
I've known Alex for 20 years, yikes, and I often wondered if he would meet his match. He would need a woman who is smart, sharp, funny, strong, not easily rattled, beautiful, and of course, willing to put up with him. She is all of those things and more. When I first met Anna, I knew before the end of dinner that she would be his wife one day, and you can ask me about that story at the reception. She is someone who commands respect and carries herself gracefully.
Fever dreams of indigo.
Alex, Anna, you are both strong-willed, intelligent, driven, and importantly, you share a set of values, a sense of humor, and a perspective that has allowed you to unite your lives seamlessly and imagine the future together, even if you still can't agree where you sat on your first date. Alex insists they sat at the bar. Anna says they sat at the high top a few feet away. Alex, let me give you the first piece of good marriage advice. You sat at the high top a few feet away. As you embark on the journey of marriage and fully commit yourselves to each other, these things, mutual respect, laughter, partnership, and friendship, are the foundation that will carry you through life's beautiful and hard times alike. The glue that will hold you together through all of life's milestones and adventures. Together, you are indestructible, and together, you will thrive.
best friend, but my role model. You paved the way for me to dream big and made them possible reality. You're the most determined, strong-willed, passionate person I know. And let's not forget, brutally honest. Alex, I'm so excited to welcome you into our family, and I couldn't imagine anyone better for my sister. So, cheers to the bride and groom. We love you all.
I'm not sure the exact day I met Alexander Carmen Manella, the bowl cut rocking, Harry Potter glasses wearing dork from Ridgebury Elementary. A kid who proudly proclaimed that the greatest song of all time was Seal's Kiss from a Rose. So from then until now, Alex and I have remained best friends. He's been there for some of the biggest wins in my life and my sporting career. He was there to very awkwardly hold both of my daughters as babies. Anna, please take care of this very, very special boy. Cheers to the happy couple.